Today we have a 2012 Chevy Colorado 3.7 motor. It's a Z71 package. The customer has a check engine light on, and when we read it was a P0108 code, which happens to be your map sensor. We're going to show you where that's located and how to replace it. This is your GM 3700 Vortec motor, which is in a GMC, Chevy, anything like that GM might want to put it in. Your map sensor happens to be right here. All you have to do, usually there's a lock on the side here. This one's actually gone. The blue lock right there, you can't see it, but if it was there, you'd push it over from the side and then just push down on this and pull it out like that. And what's holding this is a Torx T25. Put that in there and just break that loose. The car actually doesn't seem to be running that bad, he said, but since we got a code, we're gonna replace this. And it's just got a rubber ring holding it. Come on. Right there, pull that out. So you're gonna wanna make sure that the new one has a ring on it, and put a little oil on that, and it just should slide down into place. You can see right here, it's got a part that goes just like that and lines up, but also the screws right there, so you can't really mess this up. You just go push it down nice and even until it clicks in like that. And we're gonna start the screw here. I don't like to use air tools on this stuff because it is just going into plastic, so you don't want too much. I'm using a little 1/4-inch drive. Tighten that up like that. And last thing we're gonna do, put this on. You're gonna listen for it to click. Just like that. And that's all it takes to do a map sensor on a 2012 Chevy Colorado with a 3.7 motor.